What's going on, you guys? I'm Tisha Alyn. You may know me from this, or you may know me as the founder and CEO of Alyn Golf, but today I'm going to show you how I'm living. That's right, let's go. All right, so as you can see, I have an open floor plan. I'm really big about the open floor plan because I love natural light. And if you get the general gist of the house, it's very desert themed. I kind of feel like that was the canvas we were given, so we really played into it. So you see a lot of neutral tones, desert tones, and like the burnt orange sienna, you'll see a lot of that. For me, it's practical because you can be comfy, and because we have an open floor plan, everything is just right here. We got the kitchen right behind us. We got another sitting area, which is a lot more like intimate, I'd say, but everything blends really well. The desert theme is pretty consistent through and through. So when it comes to this magical moment right here, I like to call it desert chic. So you'll see the art quite literally desert themed, but also the tones and the chairs. I actually love the two different chairs because one is very much my personality, and then we got the comfy chair over here, which is very much more my fiance. We have the lime wash chimney, and we have the beautiful mirror right behind me, which I think is like the perfect send-off because like right when you're gonna walk out the door, you do a quick fit check. We also have the clothing brand, so we always have our fittings right in front of this mirror too. Now we're in the kitchen. For me, it's really important to be minimal and clean. I think I just got lucky with a kitchen that actually had a color foundation that wasn't bare. I'm all about the greens, which really set the tone for the design of all the furniture that you see. And then we have the dining room over here. It's giving like boho energy, but we have the cement table, which blends with the fireplace area. So it all just kind of ties in together. All right, I showed you how we live. I showed you how we eat. Now I'm gonna show you where we sleep. Here we go. I think I have actually found a cat. There's a lump moving right here. There we go. Oh, I got him. I caught him. Oh my gosh. Meet Lucky, everybody. He is the one thing that does not match the home, but we allow him here. It just makes sense. Welcome to the primary bedroom. So whether you know me or not, my life is actually pretty stressful, so I want to make sure that all my rooms feel very tranquil. I have 4 guest rooms, some of which are just as big as this room. And when it comes to my bedroom, I really wanted to make sure that I had a low bed to expand the space. You'll still see the squared off edges in the bed frame, and our side tables match that. And then you turn here and I was like, all mirrors. So the mirrored closet, we learned to love it, but you know who really loves it? Lucky. He'll hide in there, dismantle it, and have a time. And now we're back to where we started. This is where all the fun work happens, and I have to show off my pride and joy. We have the short game facility here. We have 4 holes, and we have the different levels of turf, of course, the putting grass, the chipping grass, and the rough. And even when it's raining, we still have a practice facility. We actually have an indoor simulator where I actually get to practice my real shots. But when I'm not working, I'm chilling in my wellness area. It's actually my favorite part of the home. We have the cold plunge, the heatable chair, and of course, the sauna. All right, y'all, I hope you enjoyed my cute little home, and I'll see you next time.
If you thought this place was impressive, just wait. We've got so much more to show you. Like and subscribe, and you'll see more gorgeous places almost every day.